and 50% of earth crust excavation. And at the same time, there is one more problem, that every year millions and millions of metric tons of crop residue is actually burnt and wasted. So when we look at both the problems together, we can definitely see a solution, because solution always lies right next to the problem. Next, please. So this crop residue can actually be converted into buildings. And you can see that there is a huge market potential. So we are bridging agriculture with construction. Have you ever thought कि हमें घर बनाना हो और हम किसान से जाके रॉ मटेरियल खरीद रहे हो? हम रेत माफिया से रॉ मटेरियल खरीदते हैं, हम जो इलीगल खदान चला रहे हैं उन लोगों से हम मटेरियल खरीदते हैं, सारा पैसा उनके पास जाता है। पर क्या हम किसान से भी मटेरियल खरीद सकते हैं? बिल्कुल। नेक्स्ट प्लीज। So this is what we did this year. We collaborated with about 100 women from farmer family in the district of Haridwar in Uttarakhand, and उनके साथ हमने collaboration किया। और हरिद्वार डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हेम्प प्लांट जो है वो वाइल्डली ग्रो होता है एंड इट ग्रोज लाइक ग्रास एवरीवेयर। सो उनके माध्यम से हमने उस प्लांट को कलेक्शन करवाया and we converted that raw material into various kind of building products. So you can see that particle boards, अभी जो particle boards बनते हैं वो पेड़ों को काट के बनते हैं। तो पेड़ों को क्यों काटना जब हम झाड़ी को काट के वही मटेरियल पा सकते हैं। Second, we also developed insulation mat. So right now we are sitting in this room and इसमें मेरे ख्याल से तो किया गया है acoustic insulation. And so acoustic and thermal insulation जो buildings, auditoriums या फिर स्टूडियोज में किया जाता है, दैट इज लाइक एक्सपैंडेड पॉलीस्टाइरीन विच इज अ पॉलीमर और पॉलीयूरेथेन। तो इट परफॉर्म्स वेल, लेकिन उसके यूज हो जाने के बाद जब उस बिल्डिंग की लाइफ ओवर हो जाती है 50 to 70 ईयर्स के बाद, तब वो जो इंसुलेशन मटेरियल है वो बायोडिग्रेड नहीं होता है एंड इट एक्ट्स एज अ लैंडफिल एंड इट पोल्यूट्स द एनवायरनमेंट। So we can have natural alternative to that from crop residues and fiber plants. Previous slide please. So you can see that we have also developed bioconcretes, that is hemp bioconcrete, which is an alternative to the red bricks. अगर आपका घर लाल ईंट से बना है तो आपने किसी किसान के खेत की टॉप सॉइल को घर बनाने के लिए यूज किया है। And the fourth material you can see is a hemp lime based plaster, which is a natural alternative to the cement based plasters. Next please. So these kind of materials are very beneficial. सबसे पहली चीज तो है कि ये natural materials हैं। हमारा शरीर अगर natural materials में रहे तो हम ज़्यादा स्वस्थ रह सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा अधिकतर समय इंडोर बीतता है। हम बिल्डिंग्स में रहते हैं, घर में रहते हैं, घर से निकल के हम ऑफिसेस चले जाते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूशंस चले जाते हैं, उससे निकल के हम सिनेमा घर, मॉल चले जाते हैं, फिर घर आ जाते हैं। सो डू यू नो दैट कि बाहर जितना पोल्यूशन है कई बार उससे भी ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन इंडोर्स में होता है जो हमें पता नहीं चलता है, बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्मफुल वॉलेटाइल ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स दैट आर बिल्डिंग मटीरियल्स एमिट कंटिन्यूसली। सो जो पेंट्स, पॉलिशेज एंड अदर फिनिशेज हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने घर को सुंदर दिखाने के लिए, दे कंटिन्यूसली एमिट मेनी हार्मफुल गैसेज जो कि हमारी बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा नुकसान पहुंचाती हैं। तो these kind of biomaterials are actually, they are lightweight, they are healthy, and they are very good thermal and acoustic insulators. At the same time, they are carbon negative. We are locking the carbon which is in the cellulose form in the plants. We are locking that carbon in the buildings. They are also very good moisture regulating. They are mold resistant, and in few of the products we use lime as the binder, which has high pH. So they are very good antimicrobial and antifungal, and also they provide benefit to the farmer, and they can definitely be recycled, and they are also biodegradable. Next please. So this is the process, this is what we did this year कि जो plants थे, the women collected those plants for us, that was taken to our small factory setup that we have done in Haridwar. वहाँ पे we processed that in form of bioaggregates, and this is just one product that we have demonstrated. So these bioaggregates were combined with lime based binders and we converted them into blocks. Next please. So there is a huge opportunity, because in India there are four major kind of crop residues. So one is the fiber crops, which include jute, hemp, rami, sisal, and bimal, and many other different fiber crop residues. Then we have sugarcane, which is a very major crop of India. Then we have cereal crops, and also we have oil seeds. So our vision is to create geography specific construction technologies utilizing the locally available biomaterials and binders, and provide affordable and sustainable buildings to the country. Next please. So these kind of materials, पहले हमें लगता था कि भाई किसी ने अगर घास फूस से घर बना लिया तो वो गांव का घर है, गरीब आदमी का घर है. But these can be adopted to the modern lifestyle also, and this kind of technology also falls into green construction segment, and there is a very huge market potential. आप लोगों को शायद नहीं पता होगा, but India is the second largest green building footprint in the world after USA, and soon we are going to surpass USA. So कुछ ही सालों में India will be the largest green building footprint in the world, and there is a huge market, and we can definitely capture that market with plant-based building materials. Next please. So this is our team, and we are currently incubated at IIT Roorkee. We conduct academic courses on this technology at School of Planning and Architecture, and also we are working with IIM Kashipur on the business aspect of this. Next please. Next please. So I would like to highlight that ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल ईंट बना दिया हमने या फिर कुछ insulation mats बना दिए, but there is a enormous potential in this kind of materials. So we are also working on prefabricated wall panels, which can be made in the factory and they can be deployed on the site, and इस तरीके के रूम एक दिन में तैयार किए जा सकते हैं with the prefabricated full height wall panels. Then we have also collaborated with a US based company on creating interlocking mortarless technology using plant-based materials, and we are already working on the particle boards and insulation mat. There is a very good potential in 3D printable carbon negative concretes using the plant-based materials. Next please. So these are few achievements. We are runners up of the National Startup Award, and we have also represented India in 4 different countries, and in 2 of them we were part of the official Indian delegation of startups, and few other awards, and one honor we have right now is being invited here in this event. Next please. Next please. So he is my guru, Dr. Prem Jain, and I think now you also got a glimpse of, if we can change the way we think about buildings, maybe what we build can change the world. Thank you so much.